Hello and welcome to the Indian Coder. And in this video, I am going to walk you through a JavaScript framework called vue.js. Vue.js is getting popular nowadays because of its simplicity, and vue.js doesn't force you to use TypeScript or JSX like Angular does and React does. If you don't know what Angular and React is, it is also a framework for JavaScript. All of these frameworks helps you to create a beautiful front-end page, or you can say single page applications, or SPA in modern term. So let's see how can we use it and install it. So come to this vue.js org/v2/guide/installation.html, and in this guide you can see how can you use vue.js in different ways. There are just direct mode, and there is CDN also they are providing you, but we are going to use official CLI for creating Vue apps because it saves us like lots of work creating library load, setting up compiler for SAS or JAD if you use templating engine. So this is the command for npm to install it. So I assume that you is already installed Node.js and know a little bit about how npm works. So we are going to install it. If you don't know how npm works or don't know how what Node.js is, so go to this website, and here you can see what it is, but you don't have to read all of this. Just click in this version or this version. I prefer the LTS version because it has long-term support. So after installing it, npm will be installed automatically, and you can use this command from your command line. So I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to use command prompt. If you are using Mac OS X, you can use terminal, or if you are using Ubuntu or any Linux, you can use terminal. So just paste the command into your terminal or command prompt and just hit enter. Wait till it downloads all the files into your system, and when it's done, we can use the next command to create our project. So wait till it completes. So it is installed, and now we are going to use the next command, which is vue init webpack and the project name. So this is, let's write it, vue init webpack. If you don't know what webpack is just a module bundler. It compiles all of your JavaScript and CSS style into separate JavaScript file. So we are going to use YouTube tutorial, and this is going to create the initial folders and everything. And after it done, then we have to install the dependencies required by this project. As you can see, it's downloading the template is normally hosted on GitHub website. So let it download. Yeah, it's downloaded. So I'm going to hit enter because that's the name I want. I'm going to say in the description it is YouTube tutorial for view intro. Okay. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about a little bit earlier. It is, there are many ways we can use only runtime, and we can use compiler also. So we are going to use compiler version. No, we don't need vue-router yet, so we are going to say no in every option. So it's showing a little bit in what you have to do, so let's do that. So I'm going to install all the dependencies required. So let it install, and when it's completed, we will see how can we use or run this project. So it is all installed, so let's run this project. So we are going to use npm run dev command. So it's going to open a Chrome window or your window in your default browser. Yeah, it's going to start the dev server for us. This is what I was talking about, saving work. You don't have to configure extra setup for your development environment. You just have to install the project through vue-cli and use it. You don't have to go through anywhere like you have to use gulp or you have to use your own webpack configuration. If you don't use vue-cli, that is really complicated, but if you know it's easy, but not for now, just use vue-cli. So as you can see on the window, it's like saying YouTube tutorial as we set the title for our project, and saying welcome to the vue.js project. So this is pretty much it.